So this is how we manufacture an ankle foot orthosis, or AFO, which is one of the most common orthoses we prescribe patients. So our technician Nelson is going to be showing us how it's done. We start off with a mould of the patient's leg. We then heat and mould a soft foam liner which will go inside the AFO for increased comfort, trim off the excess, and then prepare the mould for the plastic draping. So this is actually what the plastic looks like before it goes in the oven. But then when you add heat, it goes from white to transparent, and that's when you kind of know that it's done. Next up, we add the transfer paper, which is based on whatever the patient wants, really. In this case, it's leopard print. Obviously being super careful not to get any creases or folds in the design. After a few more minutes in the oven, it's ready to go. And we basically take that hot plastic and drape it over the mould of the patient's leg. And because it's thermoplastic, every second it's out of the oven, it's actually cooling and hardening, so we need to act pretty quickly. Again, being careful not to disrupt the pattern and to make sure it's a snug fit over the mould. So then we cut off all the excess plastic, and then what we're left with is a really solid bespoke mould of the patient's leg, which is ready to go on to the next stage of manufacturing.